Northern Wheatear is a common autumn migrant in the UK, but after walking along the River Thames at Rainham in London for over an hour and seeing very little, this one has been a more welcome sighting than normal.
The wheatear that's familiar to birders in Europe is known as Northern Wheatear throughout its wide global range. Migrating wheatears are often seen in coastal areas and marshes, where they look for invertebrates to provide them with the energy to continue migration. They frequently perch in prominent places: fence posts, driftwood, rocks, and concrete structures.
By crawling along the ground, I managed to get quite close to this wheatear. I think I'm going to leave it alone now and let it feed and continue its journey south. If you enjoyed watching the wheatear, check out some of my other birding videos, and also please subscribe to the channel. That's it for this time. Goodbye, see you in the next one.